Hello everyone, welcome to Robotics course on Business Analytics. Today we will understand what do we mean by descriptive and inferential statistics. So stay tuned. We will take again the same example wherein a company ABC manufactures four different type of cars. So in this case again, the researcher will be interested in all the cars manufactured by the company. Now the researcher draws some random sample from the statistical population which we have here. So researcher after studying concludes that the mileage of the car or mileage of the cars picked up under this sample is 21 kilometer per liter. So the point to note here is that the researcher is not talking about the population, but the researcher here is talking about or concluding about the group which has been randomly chosen from the population. So this is what is descriptive statistics. Now let's quickly summarize it. So it results from gathering data from a group, body or a population and reaching conclusion only about that group and not about the population. This is what is descriptive statistics. Let's again take this company ABC who manufactures four different type of cars. So researchers area of interest would be population and here is the population. Researcher now randomly picks up a sample. After picking up this sample, researcher starts studying this sample and then concludes that the mileage of all the cars or the mileage of cars is 18 kilometer per liter, and this time it is not about the group which has been randomly chosen. However, it is about the group which is actually a population. So researcher in this case is analyzing the sample and talking about the larger group. This is what is known as inferential statistics. Let me quickly summarize this again. So it results from gathering sample data from a group, body or population and reaching conclusion about the larger group from which the sample was drawn. This is also known as inductive statistics. So inferential statistics can also be termed as inductive statistics. Thank you for attending our lecture on business analytics. Stay tuned for our next lecture on the series of business analytics. Please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thank you.